Welcome back to this channel. Today we are going to talk about the best machines that you can buy online and start making money immediately. Most people don't tell you this. You don't need a large investment or even a big shop to start. What you need is a right machine and a little bit of creativity to get started. If it's your first time, my name is called Mose Wamkota. I post twice a week on tips and tricks on how to make money online. So if you want more inspirational videos like this, please subscribe to this channel, give this video a like, and also share this video with those people who want to buy machines online. So let's get started. Now the first machine that you can buy online, and I have done my research and found that this machine is making people rich, especially in my village, is maize sheller machine. Those people who possess this kind of machines earn good, especially during harvest time. And as I am recording this video, this is harvest time. Why am I saying that this maize sheller machine is good? Per only 1 hour, this machine can grind from 8 to 20 bags. And you can charge from 80 shillings to 100 shillings per 90 kgs of bag. Now the cost can exceed that, especially in rocky areas where the machine cannot be accessible. Let's take an example. If you shell for 3 hours and you are shelling 100 bags, and each bag you are charging 100 shillings, that is 10,000 shillings per 3 hours. And if you can convert it into USD, that is around $90 per 3 hours. And we have a lot of farmers who have planted plantations of maize. Tell me in the comments, is not this a profitable business that you can start? If you are here in Kenya, this machine goes for 17,000 shillings up to 38,000 shillings. If you're watching this video from abroad, you can buy it from Amazon or Alibaba. I'll make sure to link the stores in the comments so that it can be easy for you to buy. There are varieties of these machines. You can choose your desired one and then start making money immediately by shelling maize. Another wonderful machine that you can buy online and make money immediately is heat press machine for t-shirts and mugs. How does it work? This machine prints custom designs on t-shirts, and I've done my little research and found that this machine can produce from 8 to 13 t-shirts per 1 hour. Now let's take an example. If you have an order for ceremonies or even dancing groups, you can print over 100 t-shirts in just 4 hours. Let's take an example. If you have produced 100 t-shirts, then you multiply by $25. That is around $2,500 if you market them wisely. You can print these t-shirts and distribute them to market suppliers, and then you lower the price a little bit so that they can go as many as possible. Now here is the thing. Organize with the schools near you to print t-shirts for them. Let's take an example. If you organize for a school, then you print 500 t-shirts for them, and you are printing at a price, for example, $10 per t-shirt. You could be making around $5,000 at that period of time. That is offline. You can also set your online store, then start selling these custom t-shirts. You can use Wix or Shopify to set up your professional looking website. I tell you, with these machines, you can make a lot of money with this heat press machine for mugs and t-shirts. Another machine that you can buy online and then start making money immediately is 3D printer. This machine prints products like phone cases, jewelries, and home decor. You can start jewelry business or home decor business. Set up your professional website using Shopify, Wix, or WooCommerce. Or you can sell these custom designs on platforms such as Etsy. Why? Because they are huge in demand. Now you can get this machine at $1,099, or you can buy a medium one with only 258 US dollars. Another online machine that you can buy and then start making money immediately is coffee vending machine. The work of this machine dispenses coffee automatically. It is perfect for colleges, offices, and public spaces. This machine goes for only $799 on Amazon, or you can start with the cheaper ones that goes for only $159 or $308. Make sure to place this machine on high traffic areas to attract more customers, or even you can rent this machine to offices. I asked my friend who ran this coffee business using this machine, and he told me that his income potential is $50 plus per day in busy locations, and mostly he does his job in the evenings. So if you want to start coffee business, you can buy this machine on Amazon. Another machine that you can buy online and then start making money immediately is cotton candy machine. This machine spins sugar into cotton. You can get this machine as little as $115 to $104 and start selling these products at kids' events, parks, and carnivals. Now here's a tip if you want to succeed on this business. Offer different colors and flavors for premium pricing. There's also a machine that works well here in Nairobi, and it is juice extractor. This machine makes fresh juices, and you can get it from Amazon for as low as $108 to $129. And you can choose a variety of colors of your own choice. I have a neighbor who uses this juice extractor. She told me that this machine is gold. Then I asked her why. She said health drinks are trending, and she also targets meal plan enthusiasts. Every evening I walk to her juice bar with my friend Brayo. I saw her marketing tips. She always promotes her juice through TikTok to show freshness. So here is the thing. Buy this machine. Start making small videos when you prepare these fresh products. Post these short videos on TikTok, Facebook, or even Instagram. Whether you like it or not, this business will be a gold for you. Our final machine that you can buy online and then start making money immediately is Mini Donut Maker. How does it work? It makes multiple donuts. You can get this machine as low as $26 to $39. And you can use these machines to make donuts, snacks, then sell them in schools or public spaces. You can talk to retail shops, then make these donuts and then supply to them. And you can add premium toppings for extra profit. Here is the thing. Machines are not tools, they are opportunities. The key here is marketing. Learn to promote your products on TikTok, Facebook, and even Instagram. Reinvest your profit, and within months, you will see results. Proverbs 16 verses 3, the Bible says, "Commit whatever you do to the Lord, and your plans will succeed." So take the first step and comment below which machine you are going to start with. Subscribe for more money-making ideas. Till the next time, God bless you. Bye.